Assalamu alaikum students. Hope you all are fine and healthy in your homes. And I hope I make this session more enjoyable and more understandable to you. So in the last session we had discussed about water table, rocks and groundwater in Andhra Pradesh, recharging groundwater, etc. In this session we are going to have a fun learning about quality of groundwater and its uses. You know that groundwater is usually mixed with many minerals and many chemicals. Sometimes the water is salty and sometimes it is sweet. So this difference in water is just because of minerals which are dissolved in the groundwater. These minerals come from the rocks and soil present under the ground. The taste of water depends upon the minerals which mixes with water. The taste and nature of water is changes. In our state, many districts like Prakasham, Kadpa and Anantapur, there is a large amount of certain minerals like sodium, fluoride, nitrate, iron, etc. By drinking such chemical mixed water can cause us many diseases which affects our bones, teeth. By using chemical fertilizers or poor drainages, what will happen? Soil is polluted. The rainwater which is percolated into the soil is already polluted. The percolated water also become pollute and that polluted water goes to groundwater. So if groundwater is polluted, what will happen? Wells and rivers will become unsafe for drinking and bathing. So for this we should take preventive steps to avoid this unsafe water. You can see a girl on the screen. She is affected by the excess of fluoride in drinking water. This type of disease you find mostly in villages. There they don't have any mineral water or purified water. They have to drink groundwater only. So the groundwater is polluted. It contains fluoride. So that the girl is affected with the fluoride present in water. Not only bones but also teeth are affected by the excess amount of fluoride in water. Fluorosis is caused by excess amount of fluoride in water. So fluorosis is a cosmetic condition that affects the teeth. It's caused by overexposure of fluoride during the first 8 years of life. This is the time when most permanent teeth are being formed after the teeth comes in. The teeth of those affected by fluorosis may appear mildly discolored. Uses of groundwater. Groundwater, like the rivers, is the common resource of all people and not just of those who have land over aquifer. However, at present it is being used only by those who have such lands. Those who have owned the land over aquifers tends to overuse the water, which decreases water table for all neighboring people. Some of them dig deeper tube wells which causes further decline in water level. As a result, the wells in the neighborhood are going dry unless we use the groundwater as a common resource and in a unemotional manner. Can we ensure that everyone is able to benefit from them? In fact, after a few years, even those who dig deeper tube wells will not have any water left to pump. Today's generation have received water from the past as a sacred asset. We should give it to the future generations also, just as we received it. We should also develop ways of using and conserving water in a restrained manner. In many areas, people are suffering lack of water. They are walking for miles to get the water. So all these problems are faced by us if we not conserve the water. Okay? Okay students, hope you understood today's topic. Hope you will save the water. Save water today or tomorrow you will pay. It costs money to waste water. So if we not save the water, if you didn't conserve the water, then you are going to face many problems in future. Okay students, make the poster which shows conservation of water. After completion of the poster, you can write some slogans also in it. Students, with this session, our lesson is completed. Till then, keep the doors of learning open. Allah Hafiz students.